Alright, Fire Stick, or it's actually Fire Cube, I set up to do the video. We're going to install Downloader, and then we're going to go from Downloader to installing my apps for live TV content. So you're going to take your remote, which is right here, and you're going to hit the voice button. Hit the voice button and say Downloader. So then it's going to search for the app, and it's the first one. So we click it, and we're going to hit download. And I already owned it because I get it on multiple devices. So I'm going to hit download. There, installed. So now I'm going to hit the back button. Now we got to go into settings, and we're going to go down to My Fire TV, and we are going to go to Developer Options, ADB Debugging turn on, and Install Unknown Apps. We're going to click on that, and in Downloader we're going to turn that on. I got ES File Explorer because I use that for cleaning, so I'm going to turn that on. So I'm going to go back to the home screen. So now we're going to go find the Downloader app, which is right there. We're going to click on that, go to Allow, Quick Start OK. So then we're going to type in this, BIT dot LY / capital L small s M Lakeshore Media, and then a capital A, and then small p s. Can you see that? I'll zoom right in on that. Right there. Type in that address and hit go. Alright. So it takes you to my store. Now what we're going to do is going to navigate with our little arrow. We're going to go up, hit the hamburger symbol, click on that, and add current page to favorites. And we're going to hit save. Alright. Now, we're going to scroll down through this page. Now you can download these apps, they all do fine. But I want the app to be installed. Just makes it easier. If I can find it, navigating here. Smarters, XCIBT, Quantum Personal Text App. Oh, no. LakeshoreMedia app, right there. See it, LakeshoreMedia app. We're going to click on that. And it's going to download it. And then we're going to install. Down at the bottom right hand corner. There, it's done. So we're going to hit the done button. And then we're going to hit the delete button because we don't need the download in the using up storage. So then we're going to hit delete. Now I'm going to hit the home button on the remote. Now to access your apps, you can either A, go all the way up to the top and go to the apps, or hit the home button on your remote right there for 3 seconds, and then go to apps. Now we're going to scroll over to Lakeshore Media. So, subcategories, I am player based. Everybody has a preference. I like M player based player. all the services I have all play in all these players. Purple player, if we clicked in there, we can download purple player. It's just different layouts. Smarter's player, I think I got 3 in here. Yep, 3 different versions. So for now, let's just say I wanted M player. So we go up, click on that one, and then you go down and click download. And we're going to allow. Now it's going to download. So that's how simple it is to install my apps on Amazon device. There we go. And we're going to go to settings because we got to allow this one. Install unknown sources. And we got to turn that one on. So go back out. Go back out. Now what you're going to do is hit the download button again, but it's just automatically going to install because it's already downloaded. And then install. And then hit done. So once that's done, we're going to go back. And this is where the ES File Explorer that I had there. Where is that little baby? Right, downloader. Right there, ES File Explorer. We're going to agree. We're going to allow. Free trial for right now. Yeah, whatever. Even okay. All right. So now we're going to go down to local. Local. Home. And over here, the downloader we want it? No. I just gotta try and internal storage. There we go. And App Store. Click on that one. Oh, it must delete the folder. If it wasn't gonna delete the app, then I would go in and manually delete the apps. Yep. Downloader. Backup data. Yep. All right, that's how it goes. So now we hit the home button again. Go to apps. Let's go down to, where did it go?